Hi, today we're going to take a look at downloading data from the Flow Assessment Enterprise website. First, we'll open a browser, go to flowassessment.com, go to Customer Portal Login, enter the username and password you were provided via email, log in, go to Data, All Groups, open up the sites, click on the site you're looking to download first, click on Measurements, select a measurement, go to Properties, select your measurements that you would like included in the dataset. In this case, I'm going to choose preliminary depth and preliminary velocity. Click OK. You can select a custom start point and stop point or data range. You have many options here. For this demonstration, I'm just going to choose the last 4 weeks of data. Hit apply. As you can see, my data is not in this range from 7/28/2020 to 8/24/2020. If this happens, you can use the radio buttons up top to go to the beginning of the data set. And here it is. This is the beginning and the end of my data set. I'm going to click on Actions, go to Export. You can export as a CSV, a text file, or a PDF. In this case, I'm going to select CSV. Keep it simple. It will download the data. As you can see, it's pretty quick. There's not a lot of data. And this is a common problem. Some clients will open their Excel file and they'll see a blank page. This happens because we didn't select the exact start and stop date or range of the data set. This is the first data point. So what we'll want to do here is select the last non-data point and hold Shift, click, delete, right click, delete. And now we have our data from our start point. In some cases, it will also continue at the bottom of the data set. And if you like, you can do the same thing here as I did up top. And as you can see, we need to do this individually if we want to do this for each site. I would have to come back in here, select a measurement, use the back button to go to the beginning, Actions, Export, CSV, it's downloading, open the data. You can double click here to expand the column. And as you can see again, I didn't select the custom range, so it does look blank at first glance. But I can select again, delete, right click, delete, and there we have it. I'm at the beginning of my data. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video.